Saint Anastasius the First served as pope during a time of serious doctrinal and ecclesial tension. Elected Bishop of Rome near the end of the 5th century, he reigned from 499 to 503, a period shaped by theological disputes and lingering divisions within the Church. Born in Rome, Anastasius was known for his personal holiness, clarity of doctrine, and pastoral wisdom. One of the central challenges of his pontificate was the spread of distorted interpretations of the writings of Origen, which threatened core Christian teachings. Pope Anastasius responded with firmness and discernment, rejecting theological error while urging patience and charity toward those who were confused. Saint Jerome, one of the greatest scholars of the early Church, praised Anastasius as a man of sound faith and humility. As Pope, Anastasius worked quietly to restore unity by reaffirming apostolic teaching and encouraging fidelity to the Church's tradition. He emphasized the importance of integrity among clergy and taught that true communion in the Church must be grounded in truth. His leadership style was calm and steady, focused more on healing than confrontation, yet unwavering when it came to matters of faith. Though his papacy was brief, it left a lasting impact. Anastasius died peacefully around the year 503 and was soon venerated as a saint. His holiness was expressed not through dramatic acts, but through faithful perseverance, doctrinal clarity, and pastoral care. Saint Anastasius the First stands as a reminder that safeguarding truth is an act of love, and that authentic unity is born from fidelity to Christ.